Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm genuinely excited to share something game-changing with you. As someone who's been in the SEO and digital marketing space for years, I've tested a ton of tools. Some were great, others not so much. But every now and then, something comes along that just makes you sit up and say, this could really change the game. And that's exactly what I'm feeling about SEO Synd Suite. If you're like me, you've probably faced the same challenges with SEO. Building backlinks, embedding videos, and creating a strong online presence can be such a grind. Buying gigs on Fiverr, manually posting to Web 2.0 sites, embedding maps. It all takes so much time, not to mention the costs piling up. Trust me, I know the struggle. That's why when I came across SEO Synd Suite, I knew I had to dive in and see what this tool could really do. This suite isn't just another backlink builder. It's a complete arsenal designed to handle the heavy lifting of SEO for you. Imagine being able to generate high-quality backlinks, embed your content across platforms, and turbocharge your rankings in just seconds. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, let me break it down for you. The SEO Synd Suite comes with a package of 14 specialized tools. Each tool is built to tackle specific aspects of your SEO strategy. There's a video tools pack for ranking YouTube, TikTok, Vimeo, and even Instagram content. It helps create backlinks and embeds for playlists, videos, and reels, giving your content that much-needed boost to climb search rankings. For those of you who work with images or run campaigns on platforms like Pinterest or Flickr, the Image Tools Pack is your go-to. It's perfect for embedding and backlinking photos and videos, ensuring that your visuals get the visibility they deserve. And let's not forget the Social Networks Pack. This one's a beast. It handles Tumblr, SoundCloud, Twitter, and even Google My Business Maps. With these tools, you can literally cover all your bases. Now, here's the part that really sold me. These tools are incredibly easy to use. You're looking at just 3 fields to fill: your keyword, your link, and a key you generate with one click. That's it. Once you've got that, just hit run and let the magic happen. Within seconds, your backlinks and embeds are ready, complete with a detailed report on your desktop. No guesswork, no tedious manual submissions, just results. If you're thinking about the kind of power this gives you, let me paint a picture. High-quality backlinks and embeds are essential for ranking videos, maps, playlists, and pretty much any online content. And with SEO Synd Suite, you're not just creating links, you're building an interconnected web of high-authority, relevant backlinks that search engines love. Whether you're working on affiliate offers, local SEO, or simply trying to rank a new video, this suite has you covered. The value here is undeniable. To give you some perspective, a single submission to thousands of aged, high-quality blogs typically costs around $50. If you're submitting 2 links a day, that's easily $3,000 a month, but with SEO Synd Suite, you're not paying anywhere near that. This Black Friday, they're offering the entire suite for a price that's honestly jaw-dropping. What's even better is that this isn't just a tool for pros. Whether you're an experienced SEO expert or a complete beginner, SEO Synd Suite is designed to save you time, effort, and money. And let's be honest, in today's competitive landscape, having tools like this isn't just helpful, it's necessary. Here's something else that caught my attention. Since its launch, SEO Synd Suite has been a favorite among top SEOs. It's recommended by big names like Chris Walker from Superstar SEO, and the reviews speak for themselves. Thousands of users have been raving about how this tool has transformed their workflow and delivered real results. I've been testing it myself, and I have to say, the process is seamless. The speed and simplicity are unmatched. What used to take hours of manual work is now done in under a minute. And the results? They speak for themselves. Whether it's higher rankings, more organic traffic, or just saving a ton of time, this tool delivers. If you're serious about dominating the SEO game, this is your chance to grab a tool that gives you an edge over your competition. But here's the catch. The Black Friday offer is only available to 50 users. That's it. They're keeping it exclusive, and honestly, I love that. It means those of us who get in early will have the upper hand. So if you're tired of the grind, the Fiverr gigs, and the constant manual work, it's time to take the leap. Click the link below, grab your copy of SEO Synd Suite, and start transforming your SEO strategy today. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care, and here's to your SEO success.